Good morning, Bedford Hills Elementary. I'm Alyssa Kelly, your SEA president.
And I am Owen Terry, your SJ Secretary, and this is the news for Tuesday, November 26, 2019.
Today's word of the day is blissful. Blissful means full of happiness or perfect joy.
We hope you have a blissful Thanksgiving, full of fun, food, and good times.
On this day in history, in the year 1922, archaeologists opened the sealed tomb of King Tut.
King Tut was made a king when he was 8 years old in 1334 BC. He would have been a third grader at BHS.
With the spirit of Thanksgiving, we have a big shout out to share.
A big shout out goes to the students and staff at Bedford Hills Elementary School from Mrs. Arp for such a warm welcome in the library. She is so very excited to get to know each of you.
Today is our last day of school this week. We hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving break.
This is Owen Terry
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way
every day. Have a great day.